A heartily welcome to all my dear students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Children, do you think all the animals live in forest? No, it is not there. Different animals live at different places. Any animal can live in any place. Can a polar bear survive in desert? Can a mouse live in ocean? Of course not. Different animals live in different environments. Here is a picture in which some animals are there. Name the animals and where it is found, and we have to complete this table. First one is camel. Where it is found? Definitely in desert. Second one is shark. Where it is found? It is found in ocean. Third one is polar bear. Where it is found? It is found in Arctic region. Fourth one is tiger. It is found in forest. So students, let's learn about the world of living, our chapter 6, that is animals, habitat and adaptation. First of all, what is habitat? An area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. What is habitat? An area where a particular animal naturally lives is called its habitat. Just like lion, tigers, bears, deer, etc. living in forest, camel, rattlesnakes, etc. living in desert, polar bear, walrus, etc. living in polar regions, whale, shark, jellyfish, octopus, etc. living in ocean, and fishes and shrimps are living in fresh water. So we can say that these all animals are live naturally in a particular area. So this particular area where animal live naturally is called its habitat. An animal's habitat provides it with air, water, food and shelter. Animal can get easily air, water, food and place for living in its habitat. The home of an animal is found within its habitat. For example, a lion's home is the den and the forest is its habitat. There are different types of habitats on the earth. They are forests, deserts, polar regions and mountains, oceans and fresh water like rivers, lakes and ponds. Let's have some knowledge about each of them. Let's start with forest. A forest is a large area that is covered with trees and plants. You can find many trees and plants in the forest. Forests provide shelter to a large variety of animals. Animals live in forest get shelter and food because there are so many plants and animals too. Animals such as lions, tigers, bears and bats live in forest caves. Many forest animals live on trees. For example, monkeys and different types of birds. Several types of insects live on the forest floor. Moles, snakes, earthworms and rats live inside burrows under the ground. So we can say that forest is a habitat for the so many animals, birds, insects, etc. Now coming to desert. A desert is a dry, often sandy region that receives very little rainfall. It is usually very hot during the day and cold during the night. Deserts are usually very hot during the day in the summer and cooler at night. The largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. You know students, deserts are not always hot and sandy. They can also be cold. An example of the cold deserts is Antarctica. It is one of the coldest places on the earth. Water is hard to find in deserts. Camels, rattlesnakes, ground squirrels, scorpions, desert lizards are found in desert. Because of harsh condition, very few animals are living here, and plants are also very less. Harsh condition means very difficult for plant or animal to live in. Now coming to polar regions and mountains. The Earth's polar regions, that is Antarctica and Arctic, and high mountains are extremely cold and covered with snow. Polar regions are the coldest places on the earth, and there is very little rainfall in the polar regions. Here climate is very harsh, so very few animals are living here. Polar bears, seals and walrus are found in polar region. Polar bears are found in the Arctic region and penguins are found in Antarctica. Different animals found in mountains are mountain goats, yaks, mountain gorillas, snow leopards, etc. Now let's discuss about the ocean. The ocean is a large continuous body of salt water that covers 2/3 of the Earth's surface. Approximately 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans and seas, so Earth is called Blue Planet. Seas and oceans are saltwater habitats and they are world's largest habitat. It is also divided into the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. A large variety of fish are found in the oceans. Whales, turtles, octopus, and jellyfish are also found here. Next one is freshwater habitat. Rivers, lakes, and ponds are examples of freshwater habitats. Water that is not salty is called freshwater. Freshwater is home of many kinds of fish, shrimps, turtles, and crocodiles. Some animals can live only in water, for example, fish and shrimps. Some animals can live both on land and in water. For example, amphibians such as frogs and salamanders and reptiles such as alligators. Now, let's revise what we have done till now. Name the habitat shown here. It is of desert. Which of this is not true about this place? It is dry. You can see this one is dry. It is sandy. Yes, definitely you can see it is sandy. Water is scarce. Yes, we can't find water over here. A variety of plants are found here. You can't find variety of plants over here. Only one or two are there. So option D, a variety of plants are found here, is not true. Name any 3 animals commonly found here. Animals commonly found in desert are rattlesnakes, camels, and ground squirrels. Read this chapter also so you can understand well and watch video again. Now we will meet in the next part of this chapter, that is adaptation. Thank you so much.